Formal Safety Assessment, FSA, is a structured and systematic methodology designed to enhance maritime safety through comprehensive risk assessment and evaluation. This process is crucial in the shipping industry, where risks to life, health, property, and the marine environment are significant. Overview of Formal Safety Assessment. FSA is defined by the International Maritime Organization, IMO, as a rational and systematic process for assessing the risks associated with shipping activity and for evaluating the costs and benefits of options for reducing these risks. It aims to facilitate safety management, standardization, and the establishment of safety-oriented policies within maritime operations. The concept of FSA emerged after the Piper Alpha disaster in 1988, which highlighted the need for a formal methodology to analyze safety risks in maritime activities. Since then, it has been integrated into regulatory frameworks to ensure that maritime authorities can systematically identify hazards and implement effective risk control measures. FSA consists of 5 key steps. 1. Identification of hazards, recognizing potential hazards associated with shipping activities. 2. Risk analysis, assessing the likelihood and consequences of identified hazards. 3. Risk control options, evaluating possible measures to mitigate identified risks. 4. Cost-benefit assessment, analyzing the economic feasibility of implementing risk control options. 5. Recommendations for decision-making, providing informed suggestions based on the analyses conducted in previous steps. Importance of FSA. FSA plays a vital role in ensuring maritime safety by promoting transparent decision-making processes, justifying safety measures through thorough analysis, ensuring that decisions are made after comparing all available options. By employing FSA, stakeholders can balance technical, operational, and economic considerations while enhancing safety protocols within the maritime industry. Thank you for watching the video. For more marine topics, please subscribe the channel.